if you want big, voluminous, long-lasting lashes, keep watching this video. Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I do fashion, lifestyle, and vlogs. So if you're interested in that type of content, please keep watching. So today we are trying the Falscara lashes. I went to Ulta and I placed a couple pickup orders, and of course I can't just walk out with like, you know, what I actually placed. Today I'm actually kind of nervous to try these Falscara lashes. So I got the starter set, the overnight, the 10-day overnight, and then I also bought the wispy length, but we're gonna start off with the starter set. I'm gonna follow these instructions and see how it goes. If you guys, I'm kind of jacked up on caffeine right now, not gonna lie. I've had 2 coffees and a little bit of a Monster, and I worked out this morning, so I'm kind of jacked. And as you can see, I haven't done my eyes at all, so, and I have a mirror down here, so we're gonna see if I can do this. Now, I'm a little scared, just like the lash lift kits that didn't work. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but this is a starter set, lengthening Falscara. And it says, if you can mascara, you can Falscara. Brush on bond, place wispies underneath, lock with the seal. Of course, got my dogs here because nobody can do anything without them. That's where I go to the other room and they follow me. Okay, it says step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. This is what I got. So let's try this. And I did read a little bit that it says to go from either the outside in or the inside out. Don't start from the middle. So start from the outside or start from the inside, either one. One side is the bond, and it looks like one side is the seal. And I have my mirror here. Brush a light coat of the bond on the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna use the bond. I'm gonna look into my mirror, and we're going to, my lashes have gotten so long. That's another thing I need to do. I need to do my grande lash review because these things are massive. Okay, so I think I have a light coat of the bond on. As use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optional control. Application 1 by 1. Place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. It's falling asleep. Okay. Place them. Oh, so see, I have some. Oh, why do I have a piece of hair? Okay. Oh, that's coming off. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I think I'm just gonna go section by section. And see if that works better. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my finger and press it together like so. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. My foot's asleep. Hold on, guys. Okay, location change. I gotta stand up. I feel a little sticky. I don't know if I like that, how they feel. I'm gonna apply a little bit more bond, and I think these are gonna be just as long as what I have now, to be honest. So we're gonna lash and stick them under. That looks pretty. That looks really pretty. One more. Wow. Oh, of course I ruined one lash. I don't think I got this one close enough. And what do you guys think? Should I do one more right here? Or should I just leave it and just put mascara? I might just leave it. Okay, so it says to seal it using the sealer. So we're gonna do that. Oh, and it says, that looks really bad. If you look underneath, let's see if you can see. That looks bad. So it looks like I'm gonna need some practice with this one. I like the result if I could get it right. I'm gonna take these tweezers and squeeze them together. One eye done. It doesn't look horrible. Let me try the other eye when I'm like concentrating, and I will come back and tell you my thoughts. Okay, that was so fast. I'm gonna need more practice doing it, but literally that took me, what, 10 minutes? Now I'm loving this. Okay, so so now, like with any other lash extensions, you don't want to get water on them. When you wash your face, you don't want to use an oil-based eye cleanser. And then like tonight when I wash my face, will avoid my eye area. I don't plan on wearing any eye makeup today. We're gonna see how long I get out of this. Now tonight, I'm gonna let this dry for a little while, but tonight I'm gonna use this 10-day extender and see if it locks it in. I'm gonna wait until this dries completely, and then I will. Eye's kind of messed up a little bit, like over here, but this eye went so fast. So apply that tonight and see how long I can get out of this. Even if I can get like 2-3 days, it's still worth it to me, where I can apply them when like I need to go someplace and have a special event or a family gathering or whatever, and then I can get at least that night and a couple more days after them. I think these are different. These are lengthening. I think these are a little bit longer than what I have on right now. My first initial reaction is, if you can apply mascara, you can definitely apply these. Now, they probably don't look the best underneath, because I need to practice like getting them in a line. And here they are closed. Definitely need some practice on them, but they are not hard to apply at all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you on Instagram, so if you don't follow me, you definitely should. I'm gonna show you every day what they look like and see how long I can get out of this set. My lashes are very oily, so like when I used to get lash extensions, they would just come off after 3 weeks. Like, lady would not have to do much to get them off because they were just ready to come off. So, when I had lash extensions, I hardly ever wore eye makeup because I knew that if I used cleanser on them, they would just be worse off. So I would just let my eyelashes be like the standalone and when I wore makeup. So, Anyways, I had fun. I'm actually so surprised on how good they look. And I saw somebody on YouTube show how you can layer them. So when I get more advanced, maybe I'll try that. But for right now, they look really good. And now I just want to go buy a bunch of Falscara lashes because this will save me money. I love the lash extension look. However, they get a little pricey, number one. They're very high maintenance, number two, and mine didn't last for very long. So I wanted to get my lashes back into like really good shape before I put lash extensions on. So maybe this is a way to temporarily like crave my eyelash extension addiction. And so the system itself was $24.99. Ulta always has like a $3 coupon I believe you can use, and you can only get like one set out of them. Get everything you need minus this. I had to buy this. This one was $7.99, which I didn't think was bad. And then to keep it up, these were $7.99, and Ulta again has like coupons, so you can use a coupon on this. So I don't know how many. Oh, it looks like it's labeled, so it's a small, medium, medium, large. So I'm assuming it's by the length of them, so it goes small to large. I'll buy a bunch of these now. So I think that concludes our video, and if you like this type of content, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys the next time. So if you want big, voluminous, long lasting lashes, keep watching this video. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so dumb sometimes. Oh my gosh. My hair came out good today though.